Now I've got to find where the oil is actually leaking from. Now, something I never did properly with the ERA was take loads of photos, so I'm just going to take those photos from underneath. I can see me doing most of this on my own, so better be safe than sorry, eh? Now you may wonder why I'm doing this. I don't know enough about electrics on cars. I don't really understand the wiring diagrams that much. So I'm just labelling all the wires as I take them off. I didn't do that with the ERA, or some of them were done. And it's just, you know, if I just note them now, it's just easier, isn't it? So, the professionals would know instantly where they go, but I'm not a professional, so. And I am going to have a new loom made because me and Keith had a little bit of an accident with this one. We burnt it out, so needs a new loom. That was horn. Well, that was a pain in the backside. I couldn't get the Hardy Spicer hot joints apart. Yeah, no. Alright, so I've just got to undo the engine mounts, and then I'm ready to lift the engine out. Now I've got to find where the oil is actually leaking from. I think some of it is from the rocker cover, cork gasket. I think some is actually from the Swiftune badge. I think what's happening is under pressure the oil's just weeping out of these pop rivets. So what I'll probably do is take them, drill them out, and then put sealant behind there and put new ones in. Definitely the cork gasket. Has been leaking quite a lot. I mean, for me, all these joints I'll take off, put more sealer on them. I don't really want to do too much. I suppose, well, I don't want to take that off. Let me just. All seems pretty good on the back. I'll do a walk around on that later. Yeah, so next jobs will be, I'm on wet suspension, so I need to disconnect all the hydroelastic. I need to work out how that's done properly. I'll have to watch some YouTube videos for that. I've never taken it apart before, so I don't want to start doing stuff that I've never done and mess it up. I will sort of send the hydroelastic stuff off to be refurbed. There's a company on Facebook that does that. So yeah, it'll be hydroelastic stuff off, subframes out, take all the brake lines and fuel lines off, and then start stripping the interior and stuff out. I think that's it for today.